everyone, my name is Natasha and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make peanut butter. I am a huge fan of peanut butter, almond butter, and all the time when I'm buying it from the shop it's very nice, but I prefer to do everything at home from scratch. This recipe it will take you literally 7 minutes, not taking into consideration that I roasted the peanuts in advance. So what we will need, we are going to need about 700 grams of peanuts, which I'm buying them from the shop. They're peeled already. This is very important. It's up to you. I made them peeled and unpeeled and it's nice both ways. I roasted them on 160 degrees Celsius in an oven about 20 to 30 minutes. So you want to see like a very brownish consistency. You don't want to over dry them or over bake them because you will feel that very strong flavor in your peanut butter. So what we will need as well, we will need a very powerful blender. I have a Ninja blender which it does its job. It's very good for you. It depends what you have at home. You can try with any blender, it should do alright. And we will need a spatula because we'll have to open like about 2 to 3 times. Yeah, so what do we do next? We are putting our peanuts or almonds in our blender. Very important that they have to be cold. So I roasted them yesterday and I make the peanut butter today. So it's about 700 grams. Just like that. We're putting our lid, and this blender it's automatically 2 minutes, so I'm going to put it on high for 2 minutes. Yeah, so you are going to see how it's going to transform. So 2 minutes is gone. This is my first spin of the peanuts, and I'll show you the consistency. As you can see, it's not a paste yet and it's still crumbly. So I'm going just to scrub it from the edges, and I'm going to put it for 2 more minutes one more time. Even with your blender, in the moment when you are doing the peanut butter, don't worry if you see that it's not moving. Eventually it will go through, because this is the actual point when the peanut butter from crumbles it becomes a paste. So this is the second round, and I'll show you that it's a thick paste. It's starting to release the oil from inside. Yep, it's still kind of thick. So I'm not adding absolutely anything because for me it's really important to have this rich flavor of peanut butter. In your case, if your blender is not so powerful, you can use or coconut oil, or maybe you can put just a little bit of water in order to make it smoother. But this blender, it does the job. This is the third time, and I think I'm going to need about a minute or so in order to transform it into a liquid paste. This is up to you, basically, how you want it to be. You want it like more liquid or like a thick paste. I do prefer it more liquid because it's nicer like this and it's a very nice texture and flavor. So let's go. So it went about 1.5 minutes as well. This depends on the peanuts. My container is already warm, yeah. So this is the consistency that it's at this moment. Yeah, it's very nice, but I would prefer it a bit more because I'll put it in the fridge and in the fridge is going to set. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. You see, it's a very nice color and the smell, it's amazing. I mean, if you're a lover of peanut butter or almond butter, it's even nicer. My advice to you is to make it at home. So let's take it 20 more seconds and we are done. So peanut butter in my case, it's under 6 minutes, yes? So as I told you, it's peanut butter in 8 minutes, till the moment that you took the blender, you put the peanuts inside and you blend it. Depends on the blender that you have, it might depend. It can take like about 8 to 9 minutes in your case. Depends how liquid you want it. So you see now, it's coming off the spatula. This is the perfect texture that I like it. I'm going to store it in the fridge. In my case, it doesn't last more than a week, but it can be stored up to 3 weeks in your fridge. And it's very nice and it's very consistent. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting recipes.